Math Gad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be solving not one but two parallelograms. But first, we're going to be taking a look at the characteristics of the angles of parallelograms. So we have to remember that consecutive angles of parallelograms are supplementary and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So that means that the measurement of angle A and C is going to be the same one, and B and D are also going to be the same measurement. But B and C, or A and D, or B and A, and C and D, because they are not opposite but they are consecutive, they are going to be supplementary, right? So with that into account, let's take a look at today's problem. So the first problem says that quadrilateral EFGH is a parallelogram, and then we're being asked what is the measurement of angle F. So we're being asked about this angle. Now, we do know that E and G are going to be congruent. So we know that measurement of angle E is equal to the measurement of angle G. The measurement of angle E is y plus 35 degrees, and the measurement of angle G is 2y minus 47 degrees. Because they are opposite, they are the same. So that means that y minus 2y is equal to minus 47 minus 35 degrees. So that means that minus y is equal to 47 plus 35. So that is equal to minus 82 degrees. So y is equal to 82 degrees. Now that we know that, we can actually find the measurement of the angle. So we know that measurement of angle E is actually 82 plus 35. So 82 plus 35 is going to give us a total of 117 degrees. And because we know that the measurement of angle F plus the measurement of angle E is 180 degrees, we know that the measurement of angle F is going to be 180 minus 117. And that is going to give us a total of 63 degrees. And that's how we find the measurement of angle F. Now let's take a look at another problem. Using the characteristics of the sides and the diagonals. So in a parallelogram, you have to remember that not necessarily the two diagonals are congruent, but we know that they are split in half. So AX and XC are going to be congruent, and BX and XD are also going to be congruent. You also have to know that AB and CD are going to be congruent, so opposite sides of the parallelogram are congruent, and BC and AD are also going to be congruent. Now let's take that into account to solve today's problem. So if the quadrilateral MNPQ is a parallelogram, what is the measurement of NQ? So we're being asked for this long diagonal. So we know, let's call this point here point O. So we know that MO is equal to OP because we know that the two diagonals are split in half wherever they are cut. So that means that MO, x plus 6, is equal to OP. So x plus 6 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 minus 6, and that means that x is equal to 4. Now that we know that, we also know that OQ is going to be equal to 2 times x, which means that it's going to be equal to 2 times 4. So OQ is going to be equal to 8. But we're being asked NQ. And we know that half is going to be 8. So we know that the other half is also going to be 8. So that means that NQ is going to be equal to 8 plus 8, which is going to give us a total of 16. And that is how we find the measurement of NQ. So guys, on the first problem, we use the characteristics of the angles, and on the second one, we use the characteristics of the sides. So make sure you take everything into account to solve those parallelograms. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!